Hey, what's up guys? So you saw last video, I got the MR2 all pulled out around front, and we got to work on it. So now that it's all up on the jack stands, it's time to get to work on the 4AGE, because I want to break it up a little bit. Don't want to be working on the MR2 all the time, especially after work. Gonna save the strenuous stuff for the weekends when I'm not all exhausted. But what I can do is I can start cleaning up this 4AGE here. So I went ahead and put it up on the engine stand as you guys saw. Now I'm going to strip everything I can off it and then get it power washed, get some oven cleaner on it, and then paint it. Alright, well, I've been sanding the MR2 for a few days. It's a lot of work. That's alright. It's going to result in a really nice paint job. But the sun's starting to go down, and I got to get dinner. I got to do some other things. I got to edit the video so I can get it up to you guys. So I'm going to end it here. Didn't get too much done. I know it's not the most, exciting thing because I didn't start something and then finish it. But the results will come. I think that's why you guys are following me, right? Because you're excited to see the results, but know it's going to take time. So thank you for watching the video all the way through. Make sure you like it. Make sure you subscribe if you're not subscribed. We'll see you next Tuesday. Or if I have time in between here and then, maybe I'll make a video on the JZX. I don't know. There's some stuff I've been thinking about working on. So we'll see. But thank you guys so much, and we'll see you later.